Well, here's Paragon number 2, Tec Paragon number 2. And I've put in the new Chinacom phase lock loop chip here in a socket. And what else did I do to this thing? I used nail polish remover to get off some of the flux in the bottom. So this oscillator's VCO has been a hair trigger. Turning it like 1 degree, 2 degrees is making a big difference on it. So I have it working mostly now, but it still has some tender spots. So I think when I go to 99, it freaks out. At any rate, it's close, but it's still not working right. And I'm sure it's so hair trigger, it's going to be thermally sensitive to cold and hot and all that. Well, that's working for now. Yeah, so it doesn't like the lower end of the band now. But it's pretty close. Still a bit of unlock, so let's see what this does. Yeah, it's kind of hair trigger off there and off there. It's pretty close. I mean, I don't like anything being broken like this and whacked, but it's almost fixed. I'm not sure what else I can do with it, really. Well, I do have a programmable divider chip coming. I can replace that. Yeah, it's pretty close now. It seems like the VCO just doesn't have enough bandwidth for whatever reason. Just a tad off. Just a tad. Now. Boy, it's so close to working, huh? So the band just needs to go a touch lower. And I think if I turn it a touch lower, it just won't work at the high part. So I can go in here and turn it a degree. There, 1 degree, turn it now. Just a hair. And it probably affected the higher end here. Yeah, it did. It's really a bugger. Anyway, I'll turn it back on a hair. That's how close this is to being screwed up. It's not a term. Screwed up. What a term. It's screwed up. Hosed. Ill-fitted. Rubbish. All right. I've turned that out a little bit and see what happens. Just a 1 degree, 2 degrees of a turn, and it makes it happier. Sort of at the bottom end. And does it make this end happier? Anyway, let's make it work. Turn it out a little more. And just check the high part of it. This thing is rubbish, huh? All right. Turn that little hair out. I can't believe it's so sensitive. It's just on the hairy edge, huh? Well, that's working. And so is that. I can't figure this out. Well, something that nasty and close. It shouldn't be that sensitive. Is it actually working? So you can see how, no, it's not. You can see how difficult this is. That little area just doesn't like it. So the VFO, not the VFO, the phase lock loop oscillator can't go down that low, but yet it goes here. That doesn't make any sense. And it kind of freaks out a little higher. I don't know. Let's give it a full reset. Okay, that was a full reset. So maybe I have to work on the major board a bit now. Maybe they tend to interact. I doubt it, but that's pretty good. Even 28's locked now. Well, this thing is, no, it's close to being good, but I'm just not sure. I don't think that my changing these chips made much difference. Maybe this made it a little better, this new chip. I'm thinking this divider might need changed. I just have to get something a little more optimal. And I could change this capacitor here in the charge pump. That's all I can really do. There could be components in here that are whacked, I don't know. Of course, I could come across a new board on eBay and just replace it and see how it goes. And I was diddling with these too, trying to get the wave shape right. All right, let's diddle with them again. Because I'm at the end of my rope here, huh? With this thing. What if I turn this a little bit? Will that make it come back? No. And I'm just screwing around now. Just desperation here. No. So yeah, I've actually optimized these for max output. They're basically a bandwidth filter, band filter. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get any further in this thing today. Well, it mostly works, huh? Oh, yeah, pretty much. Okay, what if I go to 40 meters? 40 meters, that doesn't work. That doesn't work either. How can that not work? And 10 meters works, might be the major coil screwy. Go to fast mode here. Now it's mostly in lock. On 40 meters, can I go through the whole band here? At least the American part. I always like to listen to AM on 9.4. There's 9.2, 9.3, 9.4 is holding. 9.9. Looks like it'll hold to the top now. Can it do a power off, power on? How about try this? Will it come on and flash, or will it come on and work? Oh, well, see that? This thing is a real bugger, huh? You twiddle that and it locks again. It's probably not locked hard though. Okay. And you twiddle it. Yeah, I got some more work to do. I'm not sure what's up with it. Okay, that's my video. This might be acquiring a title again of Paragon from Hell. But anyway, it's mostly working. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.